if you're a young person and you're looking to make a killing on the internet, that means you want to make some money online, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make money in this time and age using your skills. In this year, a lot of people are using their intelligence. You don't even need to have a master's degree, you don't even need to have a PhD before you start making good money online. When I say good money, I'm not talking about selling books of 5,000 or 10,000 naira, or making 50,000 naira a month online. I'm talking about making real money, like the professors, like the engineers, like the doctors of these times, how they make money. Even though those people, in fact, those people don't even make money, you understand? But this way right now is a way that a lot of people have exploited on the internet, and they are making a killing. So if you listen to me, you are going to learn this secret, and you're going to change your own life. So this way is the way I've also used to, make some money online, and it is just all about monetizing your knowledge. But first, it must start with what? Learning a skill. Now, why do I say monetizing your knowledge is a very easy way to make money online? The internet right now is decentralized. Anybody can just come online and just talk, grow an audience, and monetize it. It has never been this easy. You just need to for you to be up there. It's not just about talking, because after you finish talking now, you'll still want to make money, because it is very, very easy to almost get attention now. Just come up with one viral dance and maybe you just get attention. But how can you convert that attention to money? You need to be strategic. And today I'm going to be teaching you a model that I've used, not just a random model. This model is called the skill offer conversion model. The skill offer conversion model. That's the SOC. So it's called SOC, and it's called the skill. You must first have a skill first, then you must have an offer, then you must know how to convert. Now, conversion is very, very important. This is where the main money comes in for. So how do you use the skill offer conversion model? Now, this skill first, if you want to really make money online, you can't just make money by not having any skill. People will not give you their money when you can't offer anything to anybody. So when it comes to skill, I always recommend that you learn a high income skill. Learn a high income skill. Now, what are high income skills? High income skills are skills that you can learn in the space of 1 to 30 days, or that is for the easier high income skills. The other one is from 1 month to 3 months. That is the medium high income skill. And the other one is from 1 month to 6 months. That is the tough. Let's just call it tough high income skills. So high income skills, this one is the one I recommend, especially if you are a beginner on the online space and you've not started making money online. I recommend that you choose the easy ways to make money online. And what are these easy ways? Now, these easy ways, there are a lot of skills here. You can learn something like digital marketing. This is very digital marketing. You can learn copywriting, and you can learn video creation and editing. Yes, video creation and editing. Yes, let's just put it like that. So this is one of the most easiest high income skill you can learn in the space of 1 to 30 days, and you can start making money. And I'm going to break it down. This digital marketing, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about understanding how the internet works and how to get attention in order to sell a particular product or services. You understand? So digital marketing is the ability to digitalize your marketing. That is just what it is. Now imagine I have a company, I sell laptop, and I want you to help me market my laptop so that I can make more sales for my business. A digital marketer is the one that thinks of you think of the concept. You think of the concept. After you think of the concept, you're going to think of the funnel. Then after you think of the funnel, you think about how to get it out to people. Now the concept is you have a laptop and you want to sell it out to people so that you can make money. The concept is the story around it. The story that you must create. Is your laptop the cheapest in Nigeria? Is your laptop the cheapest in Lagos? And how do you use that core concept to tell a story? That is the concept. So you need to have a concept. What is your strong, unique selling point that distinguishes you from every other laptop sellers in the online space? That is your concept. Now the second thing is your funnel. Now that you understand your concept, what is your funnel? You understand the concept, you're the cheapest laptop, you want to be marketed as the cheapest. You've tested your concept, proof of concept. Is it good? Is it workable in the marketplace? After that, you now take it to your funnel. Okay, number one, for us to we need to market our concepts. Number one, we start telling a story. We bring people from wherever, maybe TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or wherever. You bring people from there over towards your landing page. Then from your landing page, they see different laptop and they click a button and they buy. That is what digital marketing. And when they buy, you make money. You can see what I said. We have done something here. Skill. That skill is the digital marketing. Then the offer is what? The offer is the laptop and every other things that you're going to be selling inside the laptop. Maybe your laptop can be coming with just a laptop. It comes with charger, free delivery. It comes with 3 months warranty and every other thing. That is your offer. And after you make your offer, your next thing you do is what? To sell. But trust me, when it comes to this business mode, when it comes to this skill, offer, convert, especially when it comes to digital marketing, nothing can be done online if you don't understand the concept of selling online, selling with print, which is what? Copywriting. That is why when people want to learn skill, I don't just tell you go and learn one skill. In the internet space, there's something called the skill stack. Skill stack is the thing you need. You need a skill stack in order to make good money online. Because if you learn only digital marketing, you'll be only good at funnels, you'll be only good at just understanding XYZ. You need to not just learn funnels, you need to learn how to communicate in your funnels. And that is where this beautiful skill copywriting comes in. Copywriting is the ability to use words to sell. It's the ability to use persuasive words to sell. Copywriting is the first thing that the customers see in your business, because before you even put your stuff out there, if you just draw out a laptop on the online space, people will walk past it because they don't understand the story. But copywriting is what will tell people that, hey, if you're looking for a laptop to buy that has XYZ, then this laptop is for you. How you construct that marketing message that make people leave what they are doing to pay attention to your messaging is what copywriting. And if you're very good at it, if you're very experienced at it, you'll find out that all the attention on the internet space will just be what's given to you because you know how to grab people's attention. And that is why this skill is very, very important. By the way, if you're interested in learning copywriting, there's a link in the description. It's what I teach. It's one of the things that I've used to make a lot of money online. So click the link below in the description and join my free copywriting masterclass. Now, the second high income skills like copywriting, I don't think we need to explain copywriting because I've already talked about it. Now, another one is video editing. These ones are skills that you can learn within the space of 1 to 30 days. These are easy skills. And guess what? They pay a lot. High income skills are skills that you can learn within the space of 1 to 30 days. That is for easy, 1 to 3 months for medium, and 1 to 6 months for the tougher skills. Now, the medium skills are skills like maybe data analysis. These are high income skills. Data analysis, UI UX design and all that. Funnel building, these are skills you learn within the space of 1 to 3 months. Become very good at it and start making good money. What about the last one? 1 to 6 months. These are skills like coding, software development, cyber security, and coding. Yes, even though you can learn vibe coding under the space of 1 to 30 days, but I'll still classify it as a medium skill, high income skill, or a tough high income skill. So this is how you use this model. Is skill. When you've learned a skill, any of these skills that I mentioned here, then you create an offer. What is an offer? Where perceived value is higher than price, then sales is inevitable. What do I mean by this? I mean that people will not just buy from you because you sell something. People buy from you because there is an emotional trigger that is giving them a reason. That is giving them a reason to purchase from you. And that emotional trigger is designed in your communication. It is designed it is intentionally designed in your communication. Like I said, an offer is that thing that will make somebody leave other people's work and buy your own. Two people are selling the same marker, but why do people buy from somebody else? Why do people buy from you and not from somebody else? Think about it. It's your offer. Probably you've done something. So you need to learn how to craft offers intentionally. When crafting an offer, find out those hidden things in your sales process that are not being said. Those hidden things that are not being said, and amplify it using the skill of copywriting. Example, somebody may buy a laptop from your shop, and you already know that sometimes when people buy a laptop, they always check up on they always check up, this laptop, the Bluetooth no dey work, or how can I on it? Hey, this laptop, the charging port is doing somehow, how can I do it? These are the things. And imagine when people come back to you, when people carry that laptop and come back to you, guess what you do? You still repair it. So why is it not in your offer? Don't just sell laptop like that. Stack out those things that are not being said in your sales process. Stack it up. Like number one, if you buy this laptop from me, you're going to get what, a 3 months warranty. These things are not said in your sales process most times. Number two, you're going to get a free delivery. Instead of charging for delivery, put your delivery fee inside the price. Number three, you're going to get what, a free bag. Free bag. Put your bag inside the word pricing and allow people to, if they want bag, they'll pay plus 5k instead of XYZ. So you need to stack up like 7 to 9 things. This stacking up, making it visible for your customers, regardless of whether you're selling a digital product or a physical product, is that distinguishing factor that will let somebody leave other person and buy from you. That is it. Now we've talked about offer. The next one is conversion. All right, now we've talked about offers, we've talked about skills, but the next part is conversion. Conversion is where the money comes in from. A lot of people are so skilled, but they don't know how to make the money. Conversion is all about asking for the money. And how do you ask for the money? Remember, first, you must have a product or a service. Don't just have skills, have a product or a service. A product is a course, an ebook, or whatever, a membership or whatsoever. Then a service is you branding your impact, telling people that I am a digital marketer for pet vendors, I am a digital marketer for XYZ. You can brand yourself, or you can even brand yourself. I help anyone who wants to make money online create a massive sales funnel that can convert. That is your marketing message. That is your service message. And you start marketing it to people. Now, how do you convert? Conversion is all about lead generation. The more people that sees your product, the more people actually that interact with you, the more content you create out there and people engage and come to your DM and say, hey, I'm interested in your services, the more money you make. That is if you're looking for conversion. But one smartest way to convert is generate leads, engage with your leads, and tell your leads to buy from you. That is how to make money online. So I already gave you guys the SOC formula when it comes to making money online with your skills. Learning high income skills, it could be any of this one, whether it's the number one, the 30 days, 1 to 30 days is the medium or the top one, any one that you can learn. Then when you do that, you create an offer for it. When you create an offer for it, then you convert. You create an offer by creating, understanding your product or your services, what you do, then you convert. How do you convert? Pitching to more people, telling people what you do, creating content, and just telling people to buy from you. There's no easy way to do that again than this. Now, if you're interested in learning a high income skill like copywriting, no, that is where my specialty is, because it is the skill that changed my life, and I'm willing to always teach people how to do this for free. The link is in the description. If you click right there, you are going to join the copywriting masterclass for free. I'm not going to be charging you anything. Come and learn for free and get the value that can change your life. Come and learn how to learn a high income skill. This high income skill is learned in just 1 to 30 days, and you always need it for everything, because at every point you're either talking, and talking is copywriting, but copying constructively is copywriting. So it's a very high income skill. You will never really understand right now until you get into it and you see the beauty of how copywriting can help you going from making just 5 sales to making 500 sales in a very short time. With that being said, my name is Uzoma Ranibo, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now, and see you in the next video.